Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make my oatmeal and sunflower fufu. You will love this recipe. To my old and new subscribers, a very warm welcome to you. Please, if you haven't subscribed or follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you all, and let's get started. To begin, I have oatmeal and sunflower seed not yet blended. We are going to turn them into powder form by blending them, which I'll be doing off camera. As you can see here, I'm done blending them separately. Now I went ahead to measure them out, using my standard measurement cup. 1 cup each. For the rest, I store them in an airtight container. I mix them through until well combined. Once done, I set it aside. Next, I poured some water into a clean pot and set to boil. Now the water is boiling. I opened the pot. I reduced some of the water and added little olive oil. Reduce the heat to low, okay? Then start to add in the oats and sunflower flour into the pots of water while mixing at the same time with a spatula or your wooden spoon. As it becomes thicker, you will feel it on your spatula or wooden spoon. Then stop adding the flour mixture, but keep mixing till a smooth ball of dough is achieved. Then I added a few drops of water to the fufu, cover the pot and let it steam for about 1 minute. Exactly 1 minute now. Let's check on the pot. Mix again till everything is well combined. Then it is ready. Our oatmeal and sunflower fufu is ready. I took it out immediately and wrapped using my foil nylon so it doesn't dry up. And we are done. Look at it. Very nice and smooth, guys. Yeah, it is ready to be served with any soup of your choice. After trying out this recipe for the meantime, you will keep on requesting for it, guys. It is very light after eating. So tell me in the comment section which soup you will love to enjoy this fufu with. For me, I'm enjoying mine with ora soup. Guys, it tasted so good and nice. Hope you will be trying this out. Thank you so much for watching. We have come to the end of today's video. Hope you find this video helpful, and remember, let's see you on my next video. Bye.